Every night, when we look up at the moon, we see the same face staring back at us. The craters, the shadows, the familiar pattern, they never change. But have you ever wondered why we only see one side of the moon? Why doesn't the moon spin and show us its hidden half? To understand that, we need to take a closer look at how the moon moves. The moon does spin, but here's the catch. It spins at the exact same rate that it orbits the Earth. This effect is called tidal locking. It means the moon takes 27.3 days to complete one rotation on its axis and exactly 27.3 days to make one full orbit around Earth. So, every time it completes one orbit, it's also completed one spin. The result: the same side of the moon is always facing us. From Earth, it looks like the moon is still, but it's not. So, how did this happen? Millions of years ago, the moon wasn't tidally locked. It spun much faster, showing different faces to the Earth as it moved. But over time, gravitational forces between Earth and the moon began to interact. Earth's gravity created a bulge in the moon's shape. This bulge acted like a brake, slowly slowing down the moon's rotation. Eventually, the moon's rotation matched its orbit, locking one side to always face us. This process is still happening across the universe. Other moons, like Jupiter's moon Io or Saturn's Titan, are also tidally locked to their planets. But what about the far side of the moon, the one we never see? It's not really the dark side. It gets just as much sunlight as the near side, sometimes even more, depending on the moon's position. The term dark side just means unseen from Earth. In fact, we didn't see the far side until 1959, when the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 captured the first images. That side is very different, with more craters, fewer flat plains, and almost no lunar seas. Scientists believe this asymmetry may be due to heat from Earth influencing the near side's development. So, what does this teach us? It shows how gravity isn't just a force that pulls, it's a force that shapes. It shaped the moon's orbit. It shaped its rotation. And it shaped what we see every time we look up at the night sky. So the next time someone tells you the moon doesn't spin, tell them this. It spins just perfectly in sync with Earth.